because the sun is busting right now. It is doing something to my skin. Like, do we see that? Do we still see how like Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Cece from Boston, Massachusetts. I'm 23 years old, yada yada yada. You already know the whole shebang. But welcome to my channel. You guys, today I am going to the studio and I'm going to be recording one of my songs. So I figure I just kind of take y'all on route with me. And yeah, I'm going back to my OG studio, which is Ugly Duck Studio, and I'll put all their little information on the screen somewhere. But yeah. Also, don't mind my hair. I know it's looking crazy. I was trying to like figure something out with it, but whatever. I don't know. My hair is just looking crazy, but whatever. But yeah, take you guys on the road with me and we'll see what happens. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I guess I go to the studio.
Okay, I'll be right back.
Okay, thank you for doing this.
You're welcome.
47.5, let's try that. No, okay, not quite, okay. Just making it tough on me. Oh, I guess it is 148.
Wow. Okay. All better. There we go. There we go. My ratchet bitch, she always come last. I'ma need more than a staff for the sass. Cash app since you wanna be in my bag. I wanna redo it again. But like I guess I just didn't like my little ending, the little part. Staff for the sass. Cash app since you wanna be in my bag. Niggas wanna be in my bag so bad, silly bitch, fall back, stop that, cap that, unless you throwing them bands. Got you in a chance, got these bitches doing my dancing. I feel about that last part because I kind of forgot my line towards the end, but let's kind of hear it. I want to hear it. Oh, I don't know anymore. I was kind of just talking, but it was like good talking, but yes. Yes, sir. This one I feel like I don't know. Should I be like aggressive? Should I be kind of like your nigga want baddie, Grammy said me, put on my ass, she tell me I'm Nancy. Your bitch just classy. Niggas wanna have me, oops can't touch that, fuck with a baddie. Can't catch me. You bitches mad, I'm getting bad. I'm a bougie bitch. I ain't got no tats, but I got a lot of bands in rags. Brags, bitches. How much you have? Oh, I'm sorry. I thought a broke bitch said something. All right. Niggas won't be in my bag so bad, so these bitches fall back, stop that, cap that, unless you throwing them bands. Got you in a chance, got these bitches doing my dance, and he got my OnlyFans. Got these bitches doing my dance, got these niggas on my shit, got these put on my ass, she tell me. Okay, so it's like, what time is it right now? It's like 7:30 or 7:30, 7:20. We just about finished and I'm really excited. He's putting his finishing touches on it because he's a mastermind, so I know it's just gonna come out like a banger. So yeah, after this, probably just gonna head back to the crib. I really wanted pizza, so I might grab some pizza. I don't know, but we're gonna see. But yeah, get back to the crib, turn up when I see y'all back at the house. So yeah, bye. Breaking neck, she ain't showing no thong. She a freak boy, calling out a shot. She need a rim and a shoe, headshot. Not bothered by a little nigga, focus on thoughts. Your nigga want a baddie, grab me, set me, put her on my ass. She tell me I'm nasty, your bitch is classy. Niggas wanna have me, oops, can't touch that, fuck with a baddie. Hi, can't catch me. You bitches mad, I'm getting bad. I'm a bougie bitch, I ain't got no tats, but I got a lot of beans in racks.